Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to go over percent increase. Okay. Um, the challenge of this section will be that we have to put the right numbers in the correct order. Okay, to get the correct answer. All right. So that's going to be the tricky part, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. We're going to go over percent increase, and the key concept of this section will be percent change. Okay, and that is the ratio comparing a change in quantity to the original amount. A change in a number or a quantity is increase or a decrease. Okay, so the formula will be percent change equals amount change over original amount. All right, so once you figure out what number goes first, you're then going to subtract the original amount from the new amount to find the amount of increase. Okay, so I got a couple examples for us right here. So the first one, we're going to go 12, from 12 to 15, okay? And we're going to find the percent increase. So how we would set this up is we're going to use the second number is going to be the original amount. So we're going to go 15 subtracted by 12, okay? Now, since this is the original number, this now goes on the bottom as follows, okay? So 15 minus 12, we're going to have 3. Bring the 12 over with it, okay? Now we're simply going to divide the numerator by the denominator, 3 divided by 12, all right? We're going to equal up to 1/4. Okay? Lastly, we got to multiply this by 100, okay? We can either change this, we can either do it as a fraction, or you can put it into a decimal, okay? This is much easier if we put it into a decimal form, okay? So this will be 0.25, okay? So make sure now we're going to multiply by 100, okay? And this now will equal 25%. And there is our answer. Okay. All right. Next problem we have from 0.3 to 0.66. Okay. This is our first number. So we're going to rewrite that. So we have 6 minus 0.3 over, which will be the second number, 0.3. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our math. We have now, answer is 0.36. All right, then we'll go ahead and we're going to divide, and we should get an answer of 1.2. All right, last part, we're going to take the 1.2, and we're going to multiply by 100. Okay, and once we get our answer, 1.2 times 100 is 120%. And there is our answer. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to, give me 1 second, should not close the book. Pretty windy over here in these parts. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to find out the profit. We're going to find out profit, not the profit. We're going to find out profit, okay? We're going to find the profit of this next problem of cost and percent profit, okay? So we're going to let P, okay, we're going to let P equal profit, all right? And the way we set this up is we're going to just write it out 25%, okay, times $48.60, okay? Then I want you to rewrite it, P equals, and then we're going to convert the 25% into a decimal, okay? So we're going to put it over, we're going to divide it over 100, and we're going to get 25.25, and then we're going to keep the multiplication and then the cost. All right, so we're going to go ahead and 4 48, 60. All right. And then last but not least, I'll highlight for us so we can see it clearly. Our answer should be P. P equals 12.15. Okay. Next, we're going to have, lastly, we're going to have this one, this example here. All right. Same exact way. P equals, all right, 6. Okay. 6.25% times 124. All right. Rewrite it again. P equals, convert it into a decimal. Okay. 6.25. Okay, I apologize. Let's just say 6.25%. All right. Over, all right, 125. Okay. So now we have our equation set up. We have 6.25 multiplied by 124, and our answer is going to be P equals 7.75. Okay. And that is how we go about finding the percent increase. Okay.